Dear students, in last lecture we studied the science of trigonometric functions in different quadrant, and then we see that in first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, and in fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. Now when in this period we have to find the trigonometric functions for particular angles. Study the trigonometric functions for particular angles means we have to find the values of all trigonometric functions for different angles. Now where angle of measure 0 degree, angle of measure 30 degree, 45 degree up to 360 degree. Now here to find the angle of measure 0 degree or 0 radian. Now here in last lectures I have to say that the made angles have two rays. That the initial ray, now we have considered that OA be a initial ray, and the other ray, this ray is called as a terminal ray. Now here this ray is an initial ray. Initial ray. This ray called as a terminal ray. Terminal ray. Initial ray, terminal ray. And if the terminal ray moves in an anti-clockwise direction, then made angle is positive. Now where this is the OB be a terminal ray, and the motion of OB we have to consider that which is in anti-clockwise direction, and where the form angle is positive. Now when the initial ray, now where terminal ray, this terminal ray moves in a clockwise direction, then made angle is negative. Made angle here, this direction is a clockwise direction, and where the made angle means theta is negative. We have to consider that. Now where theta is positive. Now we have to find where trigonometric functions for measure of 0 degree. Now where 0 degrees measurement means the position of initial ray and terminal ray are same. Now where we can say that such angle, now where consider that this is the starting point O and the end point on the ray, that is A. Can A be any point on this ray? Now where the measurement of this angle is 0, so that measurement of angle AOA, that is equal to 0 degree or 0 radian. Means when the initial ray and terminal ray are in the same position, then measured angle is of 0 degree. Now where the angle of measurement of 0 degree or 0 radian, we have to consider a standard unit circle. Now where draw the x-axis and y-axis. Now where the x-axis, this axis is and y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, and where O be the origin. Now where we have to draw a circle whose center lies on origin. Now where this circle is called as a standard circle. Now where we also consider that the radius of the circle is 1 unit, so that this circle is a unit circle. Now where angle AOA, that is of measure 0 degree. Now here we have to consider that there is a point A, which is common point between the x-axis and the standard unit circle. Now here OA be the radius of circle, and which is also a distance traveled by a circle. Distance traveled on the positive direction of x-axis. Now we are OA. काय या ठिकाणी युनिट सर्कलची त्रिज्या आहे, युनिट सर्कलची त्रिज्या आहे आणि ही त्रिज्या किती असेल? 1 असेल. मीन्स दिस डिस्टन्स इक्वल टू 1 युनिट. Now here the point A lies on the positive direction of x-axis, so that its y coordinate equal to 0. Means the coordinate of point A are 1, 0. Coordinate of point A are 1, 0. Now here by figure measure of angle AOA, by figure measure of angle AOA is equal to 0 degree or 0 radian. Now here we know that sine of theta that is equal to x and cos of theta, sine of theta equal to y and cos of theta equal to x. Now where x and y, these are the coordinate of point which lies on the terminal. x आणि y काय आहे त्या ठिकाणी? जो पॉइंट टर्मिनल रेवर आहे त्या पॉइंटचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आहेत. मग या ठिकाणी जर कन्सिडर केलं इनिशियल रे अँड टर्मिनल रेज आर सेम, मीन्स द पॉइंट A lies on initial ray and also a terminal ray. We can consider that the coordinate of the point A, so that now here the measure of angle AOA is 0 degree, so that sine of the 0 degree equal to, now here the value of x 1, value of y 0, so that sine of 0 degree that is equal to 0 and cos of 0 degree is the value of x that is equal to 1. Now where then we have to find all the trigonometric functions. We have to find the value of sine of 0, cos of 0. Then we have to find the value of tan of 0, cot of 0, sec of 0 and cosec of 0. Now we see that tan of 0 equal to, now where this is the first value, second value. Now where tan of 0 equal to sine of 0 divided by cos of 0, that is 0 divided by 1 equal to 0, means where tan of 0 equal to 0. Tan of 0 equal to 0. Now here cot of 0 that is equal to cos of 0 divided by sine of 0 and equal to cos of 0 equal to 1 divided by 0, means not defined or infinity, so that cot of 0 equal to not defined, because where denominator equal to 0, not defined. Next, sec of 0, sec of 0 equal to 1 upon cos of 0. We know the relation, we studied the relation between all the trigonometric functions. Now here sec of 0 equal to 1 upon, now here cos of 0 equal to 1, so that 1 upon 1 equal to 1, so that sec of 0 equal to 1. And last, cosec of 0 equal to 1 upon sine of 0, so that cosec of 0 equal to 1 upon 0, so that equal to not defined or infinity. Not defined म्हणजे या ठिकाणी फी व्हॅल्यू आली cosec of 0 equal to not defined. Now here these are the values of all trigonometric functions for angle of measure the 0 degree. Now where other basic concepts same. Now where basic concepts are same. We know that the angle have the two rays, initial ray, terminal ray, and to find the all trigonometric functions, all the values of trigonometric functions for different measurements, consider that the point which lies on the terminal ray. Now where A be a point which lies on initial ray and also a terminal ray. Now here next terms, second term, that is we study the angle of measure 90 degree, angle of measure 90 degree or the pi upon 2 radian, 90 degree or pi upon 2 radian. Basic concepts are same. Angle of measure 90 degree or pi upon 2 radian. Now see in here. Now there is the measurement of 90 degree. Now here we know that the angle made between positive direction of x-axis and positive direction of y-axis, that is equal to a 90 degree. Now where the angle between positive direction of x-axis and positive direction of y-axis is 90 degree. Now where we have to consider the point A lies on x-axis, positive direction of x-axis, and next the point B lies on a positive direction of y-axis. Now where same terms, the distance equal to 1 unit, because where OB be a radius of unit circle, so that distance equal to 1. Now where the point B lies on positive direction of x-axis, so that y-axis, so that its x coordinate equal to 0. B lies on only y-axis, its x coordinate equal to 0. And we know that from origin to on y-axis in upward direction all the numbers are positive, so that this point B is on upper side of origin, so that the distance 1 is positive. Now where OB, that is distance traveled by the point B on y-axis, and this distance OB equal to 1, because where OB is equal to radius of unit circle. Now where the point B having coordinate 0, 1. Now where in this figure the measure of angle AOB means where OB be a terminal ray. And we have OA, that is initial ray. Now where by figure measure of angle AOB, that is equal to 90 degree or pi upon 2 radian. 90 degree or pi upon 2 radian. Now here we have to consider that the point which lies on a terminal ray, this point is the point B, so that the coordinate of point B are 0, 1. Now here we say that the value of x equal to 0 and the value of y equal to 1. First coordinate, that is x. Second coordinate, that is y. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. We know that our basic concept. We know that sin of theta equal to y and cos of theta equal to x. Now here the made angle, that is 90 degree or pi upon 2 radian. Value of x, that is equal y, that is equal to 1. Value of x, that is equal to 0. Now when we put up the values of theta and y, we get the sine of 90 and sine of the cos of 90. So that theta where the made angle, that is 90. So that sine of 90 degree equal to y, the value of y is 1. Value of y is 1. And cos of 90 degree, that is equal to x, and where the value of x is 0. Now where these are the values of sine of 90 and cos of 90. By using these basic values, we can find all the trigonometric functions, the values of all remaining trigonometric functions. Now here the first trigonometric function, that is tan of theta. Your tan of your direct 90. We can write where sine of 90 divided by cos of 90. 90 degree divided by cos of 90 degree. Now where sine of 90 degree, that is equal to 1 divided by cos of 90 degree, that is equal to 0. Sine of 90 degree, that is equal to 1. Cos of 90 degree equal to 0. 1 divided by 0. So that not defined. Means we can write tan of 90 degree equal to not defined or infinity. Not defined. Next terms. Cot of 90 degree equal to cos of 90 degree divided by sine of 90 degree. Now here cos of 90 degree, that is equal to 0. Cos of sine of 90 degree, that is equal to 1. 0 divided by 1 means 0. So that cot of 90 degree, that is equal to 0. Another thing. Cot of 90 degree, that is equal to 0. Now where sec of 90 degree. Sec of 90 degree, that is equal to 1 upon cos of 90 degree equal to 1 upon. Now where cos of 90 degree, that is equal to 0. So that 0 means not defined. In denominator there is 0. So that not defined. So that sec of 90 degree equal to not defined. Sec of 90 degree equal to not defined. पुढे आपल्याला टर्म्स काय घ्यायची? The cosec of 90 degree. Cosec of 90 degree equal to 1 upon sine of 90 degree equal to 1 upon. Now where sine of 90 degree, that is equal to 1. So that 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. So that cosec of 90 degree, that is equal to 1. Cosec of 90 degree, that is equal to 1. Now where these are the values of all trigonometric functions. All trigonometric functions. The values of 90 degree or all trigonometric functions, that sine, cos, sec, cosec, tan, cot. Now here same terms as it is ahead. Same. We have to next find the angle of measure 180 degree or pi radian. Angle of measure 180 degree or pi radian. Angle of measure third. Angle of measure 180 degree or pi radian. Now here, see that this angle in the figure, this angle AOA, that of measure 0 degree, angle AOB, that of 90 degree. Now here we have to find where the angle of measure 180 degree, so that we can write AOC. Now where these angles are of 90 degree, sorry 180 degree, and where the point C lies on x-axis but in left side of origin, and we know that on x-axis in left side of origin the values are negative. Now where OC radius of unit circle means the distance OC equal to 1, but where the point C is on left side of origin, so that this distance we can write -1. Minus where? Because the point C lies on left side. Here OC distance and this equal to 1. Now where the point C is on the x-axis, so that its y coordinate equal to 0. सी हा पॉइंट एक्स ॲक्सिस वरच आहे, त्याच्यामुळे त्याचा y कोऑर्डिनेट काय असेल 0 असेल. बाय फिगर measure of angle AOC, this angle, measure of angle AOC. Now where we goes in anti-clockwise direction, so that the made angles are positive. Measure of angle AOC equal to 180 degree or pi radian. 180 degree or pi radian. Now here we can consider the coordinate of point which lies on a terminal ray. Now here OC be a terminal ray, we have to consider that the coordinate of point C. Now where the coordinate of point C are -1, 0, so that x equal to -1 and y equal to 0. X equal to -1, y equal to 0. First coordinate, that is x, second coordinate y. We know that the cos of theta equal to x and sin of theta equal to y. Cos of theta equal to x, sin of theta equal to y. Now where theta of measure means the angle of measure where 180 degree, so that cos of 180 degree, that is equal to x, and the value of x equal to where -1. Means this is the value of cos of 180 degree equal to -1, and sin of 180 degree, that is equal to y, and the value of y is 0. Now these are the values of sine of 180 degree and cos of 180 degree. Now we will see that tan of 180 degree using the relation between trigonometric functions, sine of tan of 180 degree equal to sine of 180 degree divided by cos of 180 degree. Now where sine of 180 degree, that is equal to 0 divided by cos of 180 degree, that is equal to minus 1. 0 divided by minus 1, this term is equal to 0. Means tan of 180 degree equal to minus 1. Sorry, equal to 0. Tan of 180 degree, that is equal to 0. Now where cot of 180 degree equal to, now where cos of 180 degree divided by sine of 180 degree, and this term is equal to cos of 180 degree minus 1 divided by sine of 180 degree 0, means we can write cot of 180 degree equal to minus 1 divided by 0. In denominator there is 0, so that this term is not defined. Not defined. Cot of 180 degree. Next terms, that sec of 180 degree and cosec of 180 degree. Now where sec of 180 degree equal to 1 upon cos of 180 degree, and this term is equal to 1 upon minus 1 equal to minus 1. 1 get cancelled, remaining you have 1 divided by 1, that is equal to 1 minus the minus, so that sec of 180 degree equal to minus 1. And last, cosec of 180 degree. Now here cosec of 180 degree equal to 1 upon sine of 180 degree equal to 1 upon sine of 180 degree, that is equal to 0. So that we can write cosec of 180 degree, that is equal to not defined. Now here, these are the values of all trigonometric functions for the measure of 180 degree. For the measure of 180 degree.